So if I asked you what your accuracy problem is at the range, could you tell me? Do you know why you shoot low and left? Do you know why you shoot low? Do you know what's causing it? I think this is important because when we know what we're doing wrong, we can fix it. You don't suck at shooting, you suck at having a system. And that's what we're going to try to give you. And that's what we give you through the HTS system. So today I'm going to take a plate and I'm going to put some faux bullets on here to kind of identify your target for you today and tell you what's causing it. We'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I'm thinking that I'm going to show you a proper grip and somewhat of a proper trigger press. These two things are 90% of your problems at the range to begin with. So we can solve these. Your target won't look so silly or won't look like it's being shot by a shotgun versus a handgun. So let's go ahead and throw that grip in front of us real fast. Rubber gun, guys, no bullets, no active, nothing it can do. Put your hand here, high on the ting, finger off the trigger, and there's your grip right there. That's your solid grip. You're high, you're wrapped. You're going to get this gun. This gun will stay level when you're shooting it because you're not giving it anything. You let a firearm have a gap, it is going to be a bully, and it'll take everything you give it. So now we have this void right here. We're going to wrap our hands in there, lock it in, and press it out. Now, when you see my thumbs being locked out like that, that allows me to put this weapon directly over my dominant eye, turn my chin just a little bit, and that puts me directly over the pistol. Now, what this did for us, it kept the weapon from muzzle flipping. This is one of the most important things. You could have gappiness, so that's going to cause a little bit of an issue. You could have thumb crush, which when you have your thumb crushing against the other thumb like this, which is a very common grip for people. But if you just watch this and watch me crush this thumb, look at the left, it happens. See? I'm pushing on the back of the firearm, which is causing the front of the firearm to go. Now, take this in junction with a pull of the trigger, and there is your low and left. Now, grab it properly, get a good thumb forward grip, lock it in. You could slam that trigger all you want. Now you're slamming the trigger if that's your low. But it's not going left, is it? Now, thumb crush, squeeze, 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 there's your left. So, proper grip is going to make a big difference on all of your accuracy. One more time, high, wrap, here, lock, push out. Now, little trick, 60-40 grip. 3 fingers are holding on the gun to this side, that's going to be the 40%, and 4 fingers here, 60%. Wrap here, drive it out, lock it out. You do this, most of your accuracy issues are going to start weighing a little bit, right? You still got to get a good trigger press in there. And what I mean by a good trigger press is just what I said, a press, not a pull. And too many people have anticipation and they get excited and they rush through the shots. But this is a dummy gun, no active trigger. But watch when I slap it. Do you see the movement of the firearm? That movement would cause your bullets to impact all over the place. Now, if I grab it, grip it, and press, see how the front post stays level. A level post, front post, is going to make the gun stay level. And that's kind of key. So those two things right there, work on those. Work on a good grip and a good trigger press by dry firing. Get one of those dry fire inserts we sell, which is right here. And that gives you the ability to put the gun at a a slide lock position, change out that magazine, close it, and you can rack it and work on that trigger press. Trigger press is probably one of the challenges that most people have because internally the monster is telling you to pull the trigger, go, 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 go. We want to take our time shooting. That's why we shoot 5 rounds at a time versus 15 rounds at a time. You can control 5, you can't control 15. Work on those 2 things right off the bat. That'll help you out tremendously. The trigger press and the grip can be done through dry firing. Pretty simple, no money, works pretty easy. Lay it out. You want to know a dry fire drill that really helps you? Check this thing right up here. That's a video of dry fire. All right. So now let's look at these targets. I think this is going to help us a lot. So I put together this target to kind of show you a little bit of, let's say, for instance, we are impacting in this area right here. And our bullets are impacting. We get a couple up here, but most are here. A couple things have happened. One, probably our grip is a little wonky, right? And then we're doing some kind of thumb crush grip, which is causing it, and we're slamming the trigger. So that is the low and left. Now, let's say, for instance, we're right-handed student, and we are shooting low and left. What if we're a left-handed student shooting low and right? It's the same thing, guys. It's just you got to put it over to the other side, and you got to make sure you're not thumb crushing over there. That's going to cause a lot of issues for us. Get our thumb straight out, put it out in front of us, turn our chin just a little bit, and slowly press the trigger. Trigger press is going to make a big difference for you. Let's say that we are right-handed student, and we are shooting high. If you're shooting high, most likely you're putting your front post in the center of the target instead of 6 o'clock hold. And that's what causes most of the stuff. Remember, the bullet's going to impact where your sights are. And if you're shooting high, you most likely are not focused on your back post. You're only focusing on your front post, which in turn gives you that high angle. What happens if, John, what happens if they are here, 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 and here? Well, that's a consistency issue. You're not consistently holding the gun properly for each shot. We need to have a consistent system. Consistent grip, consistent trigger control, sight picture, sight alignment, and put it all together. Guys, shooting a pistol is not complicated, but it is complex. And we put together a system called the HTS system. It's the handgun training system. It's in the school community. And we offer you the opportunity to work with me, no matter where you live in the world, for only $7 a month. What you get for that $7, you get a free 4-week masterclass. My teachings of the 4 weeks to get you off this crazy target into a good, solid foundation to start your accuracy journey, to start becoming a better shooter. This school community, there's over 640 students just like you that are needing support, and we put it together. Not only do we have the community, we have a Monday night call, Monday night accuracy call for the school community. There are 3 levels of membership. There's the $7, the $10, and the $28. The $28, the VIP. There are a lot of educational stuff in the school community that you can get. There's ebooks, there's other classes, there's courses. And when you're in the VIP program, everything is gratis. Well, it's not gratis. You pay $28 a month, but the ebooks are there, the classes are there, the courses are there, and you get a monthly call with me. When you're having accuracy issues, you get that tether between me and you to work on your fundamentals. I don't know where you could get something like that. It's a passion of mine. I love you guys. I want to make you the best shooter you can be. I want you to stop shooting low and left and can't figure it out. I want to give you the solution, the accuracy command you deserve. If you'd like to learn more about the school community or sign up, click the link down below. There's a QR code right here as well if you're watching this on YouTube TV. I would love to help you become the best shooter you can be. I'm John, the firearms instructor. I specialize in you. I opened this channel to educate, motivate, entertain. And if I've done that today and you found some value in this video, then go ahead and click that like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It helps out us as a family-owned business through the YouTube journey, as well as it tells YouTube this video is good. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line of defense. Do you know why you shoot low and left? I think you do now.